Assalamu alaikum. This is Rikwa Tasniya Mullik from Political Science Department, University of Dhaka. My roll number is 125 and my section is B. Today I am going to present a video about a topic that is called deconstruction and its application to modern Western political thought. In this video, we will explore about the philosophical approach of deconstruction and how it challenges the idea of a fixed and universal set of political concepts and values. It will also help us to examine how deconstruction can provide new insights into contemporary political issues by questioning the underlying assumptions and biases that are often taken for granted in political discourse. So let us start by defining what deconstruction is. Basically, deconstruction is a philosophical approach that involves a critical analysis of language and the way it constructs its meaning. French philosopher Jacques Derrida first developed the idea of deconstruction. It challenges the idea that language and meanings are fixed and stable, and instead argues that language is inherently unstable and open to multiple interpretations. When applied to the notion of modern Western political thought, deconstruction challenges the idea that there is a fixed and universal set of political concepts and values that apply to all societies and cultures. Instead, deconstruction suggests that political concepts are constructed through language and discourse, and their meanings are shaped by historical, cultural, and social context in which they are used. Next come questioning assumption. Deconstruction of modern Western political thought may involve questioning the underlying assumptions and biases that are often taken for granted in political discourse. For example, deconstruction may question the assumptions that underlie the concepts such as freedom, justice, democracy, and examining how these concepts are constructed through language and discourse. Deconstruction also involves examining the power dynamics that shape political concepts and the way that language is used to reinforce dominant social and powerful structures. This may involve analyzing the ways in which that language is used to marginalize or to exclude some certain groups or to reinforce powerful and social structures such as patriarchy, racism, and colonialism. To better understand how deconstruction can be applied to modern Western political thought, let us look at a case study. One of the most commonly used concepts in the West is the concept of freedom. Deconstruction would question the assumption that underlie the concept of freedom and how it constructs its meaning through language and discourse. For example, deconstruction would question the idea that freedom is universally valued and understood and how different historical, cultural, and social contexts shape the meaning of freedom. Deconstruction denotes the parsing of the meaning of a text to the point of exposing the supposed contradictions and internal oppositions upon which it is founded, supposedly showing that those foundations are irreducibly unstable or complex or impossible. The main point of Derrida's theory is to show that the meaning of a work is unstable and could have multiple or alternative meanings, so the meaning could easily be the center as it could be the marginal. One of the prime examples of deconstructivism, the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, represents a fusion of complex, swelling forms and captivating materiality. Deconstruction is important because it removes the false notion that people have assumed, replaced it with a relative understanding. In a way, it emphasizes the lack of a fixed or definite meaning of text. Deconstruction offers a powerful tool for critically analyzing language and questioning the underlying assumptions that shape modern Western political thought. Overall, deconstruction of modern Western political thought involves a critical analysis of language and discourse and the recognition of ways in which political concepts are constructed and shaped by historical, cultural, and social contexts. By challenging the fixed and universal meanings and examining the power dynamics that shape political discourse, deconstruction can provide new insights into contemporary political issues and offer alternative ways of thinking about politics and societies. And thus, we can get a clear idea of deconstruction and its application to modern Western political thought. Thanks for watching.